Hi there, how are you doing? Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you've been looking to create landing pages using MailerLite, it's a possibility. Just like ConvertKit, MoveSend, and several other email marketing programs that now give you the possibility of creating landing pages as a part of your lead generation efforts. You have the ability to create landing pages from within your email marketing service providers such as MailerLite, MoveSend, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Drip, and several others. Now, in this case, we are going to talk about how to create a landing page using MailerLite. If you haven't signed up with MailerLite yet, I would highly encourage you to sign up with MailerLite at fetchprofit.com/MailerLite and then follow along. Having said that, inside your dashboard within MailerLite, under Forms and Subscribers, you will see an option called Sites. You also have the similar card to create sites right here inside your dashboard called Create Site. You can choose either of these options. Let's click on Sites, and this is where you will get to. Now you have an option to either create a full-fledged website, because MailerLite also doubles up as a website builder. So it's a comprehensive and complete website platform that you could use, or you could build dedicated landing pages as well. So in this video, we're only going to talk about landing pages and not websites. For websites, I'll create another video. So please stay tuned and subscribe. So on landing pages, you click on create and give your site a name and choose landing page here. You can notice you have two options, website and landing page. We're not going to talk about the website now, so we're going to pick up the landing page and click and save and continue. And this is where you will get to. You'll again have to choose a subscriber group. For now, I'm just going to go with the default group and go ahead and continue. Now you have a possibility of starting from scratch, or you could just pick from the template gallery and choose any landing page that you think is appropriate for the campaign that you're trying to run. So let's assume that I want to pick something where it makes sense for my courses. So I'm going to preview this, and I'm going to go ahead and use a very simple landing page that talks about my courses and has people sign up for my courses. So I'm just going to click on select template, and I'm going to go ahead and make changes to this template. Landing page designer. So you have a page layout option here where you can have full width a container or even a transparent one. You can have spacing here, you can have animations, you can include a page header, include a page footer, and so on and so forth. You can choose a font here, you can choose a background color, and several other options that you have available right here. Now if you click through and click on any of these elements here, you will get a panel that shows up on the right side where you can make changes to that particular element that you have picked or selected on your landing page. For example, on the top left corner, if I click on this little logo here, you will notice that I get all of the pertinent options to manage my logo. You can edit your image, you can upload a new image, you can link to your website to that logo, add alternative text, and even manage your navigation right here. Change this particular headline here right away. So I'm going to just click out of it for the moment and click on this and then click on this. I'm going to say something like, and then a little more about what this membership is all about, and then change button color and aspects of the button. For example, I could change the text here which says get access now. I'm going to anchor this button instead of a link and have them go some to other section of this landing page where they could probably purchase or buy something or visit some other section of the landing page. Many ways to work with your landing pages here, but I just wanted to make sure that you know exactly how to go about making changes or edit or completely change your landing page as well. Now, if you just click out of all of this and preview, you'll be able to preview how your landing page looks like. You'll also be able to get a URL that you can visit and take a look at how your landing page looks like on the web precisely. We can make complete changes and make this landing page look on brand for your campaigns as well. So this is how you go about making changes to your landing page. Now you can save this as draft and get out of it. You will also get lots of publishing options as well. So you will now notice that there is a landing page URL that it says subscribepage.io. Now custom domains are not available on the free plan. You need to upgrade your plan to a paid plan to be able to get access to a custom domain. Now once you get access to a custom domain, what you could do is create a branded URL for your landing pages so that it all lives on a branded URL such as get.yourdomain.com/. name of the landing page. You can also upload a favicon to your landing pages. You can have SEO settings or have a social share settings, and include analytics and custom code, and track your analytics by using Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics, or any other analytics that you would like. And you can also enable heat maps and disable tracking data if for some reason you want that, or also enable pop-up and have all of this tracked, and ensure that you know exactly what's happening with all of your forms landing pages. So I hope that helps. So thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fish Profits signing out.